Hello everyone, my name is Monica and I will be showing you how to repot your plants into another pot. I've been looking for this plant for a while and it is called Trailing Jade. And the reason why I really love this plant is, I guess it's just different and I love the leaves. It reminds me of a dinosaur scale or some sort. And so I'm just so excited to put this into this new plant, new pot. And I can finally hang it on my fence over there. So please join me in repotting this trailing jade into this pot so that I can grow more, it can trail here, and actually hopefully I can propagate it. So what you need is obviously your plants to move, the new pot. I have my potting mix in here. So what I usually do is when I pot things, I prefer putting organic garden materials such as leaves or whatever trimmings I've gotten from my backyard. And basically for me, it adds drainage, and as well as it's organic, it will break down eventually, and as it's breaking down, it will turn into since it's leaves, it will turn into nitrogen and provide food for the soil and for the plant as well. So this is what I do. Just put enough soil. Sorry, I just put enough trimmings in there just to act as a drainage, and add my potting mix. So this one here. So in my potting mix, it's just normally, if I don't have much soil, I'll buy from the shop, say Bunnings, and I'll be adding my own ingredients such as a little bit of maybe 20% chicken manure or cow manure. The only problem with chicken manure is the smell takes a while to fade, so I would recommend cow manure. And as well as, since it's a hanging pot, or any potting, if you're going to transfer in a pot, I would recommend adding vermiculite, and as well as perlite, and some cocoa peat, I think that's how they pronounce it, cocoa peat or cocoa coir. So I'll add that to add organic as well. And just to save us time from adding fertilizers later on, I do add some phosphorus pellets, a few pinches of this phosphorus that I got it's from Rich Grow, and that is for root health booster. Since we'll be transplanting, the plants will be stressed, and I guess adding more nutrients to it, it will help it adapt more into its new pot. So, I'll let you know more about this jade. I'm not an expert on it. I just started reading into it. If it's stressed or exposed in full sun, the leaves will turn kind of pinkish. I will move it into. I will put it in a semi-shade area. It's a bright lit area, but not direct sun. Once I filled up my pot, then take this one out. What I normally do is my fingers, just so that don't go everywhere. There. And to give it more support, just kind of massage the pot. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see there, it's got really nice roots. So I'll try to get rid of this. Whenever I repot things, I don't like disturbing the roots as much because they'll be stressed already from all the repotting. So I'll try to normally just leave it like that. And there. That's one there. And there you go. That is the repotting of this trailing jade into another pot, into a hanging basket. And I might actually, since the topsoil looks barren, it just looks empty, I think I might put some plants around it. And the soil was just so loose. But there we go. It does have a very nice root system as well. So I'm hoping it's a jelly bean. And what I like about this is it turns red. The edges there turns red or pinkish. So okay, well, I have another trailing jade, which is a tiny one. Okay, there. Looks better. Cover it. That is looking nice. Once you finish with your pot, make sure you water it thoroughly. I know it's a succulent. I think others, they wait 1 week, or from what I read anyway, wait 1 week after the repotting. But for me, since the soil or the roots has been stressed, it needs water. And so I'll water it thoroughly, and after 1 week I'll see how it goes. I'll check the soil again, and so please join me later on my next video on how to hang pots on your fence. I'll be showing you how to do the hooks and pretty much DIY. I hope you enjoyed and learned something on how to repot plants, trailing jade, and as well as this jelly bean and ice plant. Thank you very much and have a good day.